Hello wonderful people, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to few steps, few tricks on how to monetize your YouTube channel in 7 days time. This secret is something your popular YouTube monetized channels are hiding from you, and today I'm here to tell you for free. It's something you can do. Multiple channels are being monetized on daily basis. It's not magic, it's not by luck, it's something you can do. It's something you can also do and you get monetized and start making money. YouTube pays heavily. So I'm here to tell you for free that it's doable. It's something you can do it. And in this 2025, you must start something. Your channel must get monetized and you must start earning money on YouTube. So I'm here to coach you for free. I have just few tips on how to guide you so that you can get monetized in 7 days. I and my team, we have embarked on 7 days challenge to help small YouTubers grow and get monetized on YouTube in 7 days. So in this video, kindly stay till the end because the last secret I'm going to reveal to you will change the game. It's the game changer. It will change your story. It will monetize your channel in 7 days time, right? So kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more content and tips on how to monetize your YouTube channel in 7 days time. Meanwhile, I'm going to drop my private WhatsApp group channel link in the comment section. Make sure you click and join. It's for free. It's for free. Our target is to help 100,000 people get monetized on YouTube to start earning money so that you'll be financially independent. So kindly join my group. It's for free. You are not paying a dime. It's for free. It's for free from my heart. It's free. So the last secret I'll show you. So the first tip I'm going to give you now is if you embark on this 7 days challenge with my team, all you have to do is you should be able to create 5 YouTube shorts on daily basis and post on your YouTube channels on daily basis. By so doing, before 7 days, you'll be monetized. You start earning money in dollars. So that is the challenge where we have embarked on, I and my team. So get ready and get prepared to monetize your YouTube channel in 7 days time. Meanwhile, stay tuned to the end because the last tip I'm going to give you is the one that will grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour in 7 days. That is what I'm going to do now. So right now, let's go into details on how to set up your YouTube channel to go viral in 7 days time and get monetized. Take a look at this setting. This is just what you need to go viral on YouTube. Now let's move to our browser for the practical aspect of this tutorial. Now come to your browser. Mostly use Google Chrome. Come to your browser and type studio. What am I typing? Type studio.youtube.com and search. No, you don't want to use the app. You want to use the website. Already I have uninstalled the studio app on my phone, so we are going to click here to continue, right? So now you click on continue to studio. If you open YouTube studio on the app, you don't get those settings, or you don't get those things I'm about showing you. So it's advisable you use the website. Okay, so now network should not start this one again. So once it opens, we'll go straight to what I want to show you. How just the settings that you need to put it on for you to go viral on YouTube, for you to get monetized easily on quickly. So now we are here. This is our studio. So now come here and click on this sign. This sign here. This is where you are going to click. Okay, So once you click on it, once you click on it, the network is very slow. Let's wait a little bit. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay. Network is too slow. Channel customization. So you're coming here to click. So once you click here, yes, thank God it's open. Come here and click tab on home tab. Once you click on home tab, it will take you to this place. Are you seeing it very well? Make sure this one is on. If it's off, it will not push your video to your target audience. Make sure this icon is put on, and then you come to continue. Let me zoom it so that we can see very clearly. Show your channel home. Yes, it's already on. So coming to this place, YouTube recommend fresh content on based on your viewer interest and wait. So click on more settings. So when you come here, like some of you, like my own is on. Like some of you, when you open these settings, you see it like this. Make sure this is where, if they are off, YouTube cannot push your video to your target audience. So make sure the three icons are put on. This is on, the shorts, everything, and then it's on. And here, come to this place. This is very important. Come here and click on this one. Choose this one, not this one. Why? Because if you choose all content, when somebody is watching your video, and then YouTube will be recommending the next video to the person. But if you put this one on, YouTube will be recommending your 2 years ago videos to this person. So you want your recent videos to have views and then go viral. So click on recent content only, so that when someone is watching your video, YouTube will be recommending your recent content only to the person, and then you click on done. I think this is very clear. So the next one, you come here to your most recent upload. So you come here to, that's all. That's a very important settings you need to put on for your videos to go viral, and then you get monetized in 7 days. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so that you have everything, put everything into practice, and see the magic. So that's all for today. So see you in my next video. So if you found this video very helpful and worth paying for, please like and subscribe to my channel for more money making tips, for more prompts, for more content from me, and for more ways of how to monetize your TikTok and YouTube account. See you in my next tutorial.